Well, we were in the M&M. We came out here to see some of the street festivities.
No, I'm not. I was just reading my text. I see you typing. No, I was not typing.
Quite a few people out here. This is Main Street, Butte, Montana. St. Patrick's Day. It's a famous thing around here.
How are you? How you doing?
We're just gonna stand here and look at the street scene for a minute.
Make sure it's okay with the manager.
Break.